of Southeast Asia, South Asia, Central and Western Asia, Middle East, Europe, and Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, CPEC is reshaping the geo-economic landscape and is a game changer not only for Pakistan, but also the entire region, which is based on the idea of shared development. President Xi called Pakistan an iron brother, and multi-billion CPEC is a manifestation of China's special relationship with Pakistan. Under this project, Gwadar is going to be a hub of Chinese economic ties with the Middle East and North Africa. Major initiatives of CPEC include 2,700-kilometer long road network extending from Gwadar port to Khujrab Pass through KKH in the Karakoram mountains of Gilgit-Baltistan, overhauling of KKH from Hassan Abdal, Punjab to Chinese border Khunjrab, construction of 1,100-kilometer long Karachi-Lahore motorway, upgradation of 1,687 kilometers long ML1, around 10,000 megawatt power generation projects, 2.5 billion Gwadar-Nawab Shah pipeline to transport gas from Iran. It is estimated that CPEC will generate 6 to 8 billion per annum just in taxes as roads and bridges tolls. Road infrastructure projects are estimated to create 51,000 jobs, more than 94% of which are specifically for Pakistanis. Pakistan and China joint venture projects are estimated to create 1.2 million job opportunities, more than 33% of which would be exclusively for Pakistani citizens. Overall, 2.3 million jobs are expected to be created between 2015 and 2030, resulting in more than 2.5% annual rise in GDP. Even a cursory glance at the facts above belie misleading propaganda by a section of Western and Indian media that equate Chinese loans and investments under the CPEC with debt trap diplomacy of China to extend its economic and political influence in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, CPEC is a win-win project of China-Pakistan economic cooperation. Besides diversifying Chinese supply lines, it would prove to be a catalyst for a socio-economic development of Pakistan. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has made remarkable progress in its first phase, that is 2015 to 2020. Majority of the projects planned in the transportation, infrastructure, and energy sectors have been carried out successfully, and many are in the execution stage. Its second phase, 2021 to 2025, will further focus on industrialization, agriculture modernization, and socio-economic development. The purpose is to reap the dividends of the investment made in the first phase that has created an enabling environment for investment in other existing voids in infrastructure and energy have been filled. Agriculture and science and technology joint working groups are being established in the year 2020 that would add to the existing joint working groups in the field of energy, infrastructure, industrial cooperation, etc., taking the total number of JWGs 10. Projects in the existing and newly established areas would enhance the capacity of Pakistan, ultimately improving the economic competitiveness of the country. The promotion of CPEC is in the best interest of Pakistan, as it is a win-win situation for both countries. It is dispensable to counter the negative propaganda aimed at undermining the success of the project and bilateral ties. Benefits of CPEC will reach the grassroots level and would benefit Pakistan's populace. I pay thanks to the Pakistani media, which played a pivotal role in nullifying the anti-CPEC propaganda and also contributed to the development of the concept of national ownership of this project. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.
इस्लामाबाद में CPEC से मुतालिक कौमी सेमिनार से वफाकी वज़ीर इत्तलात सेनेटर शिबली फराज खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा, इक्तिसादी राहदारी इलाकाई रवाबित का मंसूबा है। CPEC पाकिस्तान और चीन की तरक्की के लिए मुश्तरका मुस्तकबिल का अक्कास है। पाकिस्तान और चीन के मुश्तरका मंसूबे से रोज़गार के बहुत से मौक़े पैदा होंगे। और उन्होंने कहा कि CPEC के खिलाफ गैर मुल्की प्रोपेगेंडे को मुस्तरद करते हैं।